Okay, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to add trusted sites to Internet Explorer. The purpose of that is so that you can enter matches in the site that are less than full term. We're going to start off by going to Site Gateway, Match Bound Functions, Match Entry. It's going to ask us for our credentials. We're going to go ahead and put them. Now there are two key things on the Match Entry Setup page. One is the Submit button is not enabled. We can't click it. It won't do anything. The second is we need to display this prompt box in order to get that submit box to be shown. So we're going to click, and because we're not in trusted sites, it fails the test and it takes us to a written tutorial of the video tutorial we're putting together. So if you need to read on how to do what we're doing, you could stop at this page and take a look. Now we don't need to read because we have a video. So I'm going to come up to the tab, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to have this menu bar present, and if there isn't a check bar, you simply left click here and that check bar puts that toolbar here. Click on Tools, Internet Options, the Security tab. Now you may not realize it, but these are actually buttons, and I'm going to click on Sites and Sites. It already populates us in the box, so I'm going to choose Add. However, it's going to crash because it needs this S prefix. To clear that, we uncheck this box, and we can do that because it's our site and we're not dealing with an internet site where we're buying anything. I click Add, I can check the box again, close, and OK. Now, where we started, back to the match entry page. This time, when I click on the display prompt box, I need a second for the page to load. It's slow today. Isn't that always the way when you're making a tutorial? Click on the display prompt box, and now what do we have but the prompt box? This is what you should see. When I click OK, note that the submit button comes to life. I'm going to very quickly put one bout in just to show you what it looks like. We'll pick Sussex, and Vorey sounds good. Hit submit. It loads our team names and date so that when we get to the first page, we choose two wrestlers. I'm just going to choose the first two. I'm going to have the home team win by a fall. When I come out of this box, it automatically opens this box. This is the point of it all. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 in to enter a match time. It automatically populates all of the boxes. There's no further need to do anything, including the time with the colon, and I click Next to go to the next match. As long as you're able to see that prompt box, you're there. Now, one quick other note, if you click on the logo, you can always leave a match entry, however, that page won't save. Now, you should not have to do this more than once. You only do it once on each computer, you're good for the season, and everything's set to go. So the next time you come back, you won't have to repeat that tutorial. You will, however, have to do it if you join another computer, say your work machine or a laptop or something like that. Thank you.